Hello guys, welcome back to Code Studio. If you are new to here, I am Balakrishna and today we are starting from basics with an introductions to Python. Python is the most important and popular programming languages today. Whether you are into web development, data science, machine learning or automation, Python has got you covered. By end of this video, you will understand what is Python, why it is popular and how to install it. And also see some basic syntax to get you started. So let's dive in. Covered today. So first topic would be what is Python and why use it. Second point, we'll see how to install Python and how to use editor like Jupyter for Python programming. We'll also see how to write your first Python program and see some basic syntaxes like variables, operators, and we'll see how to take user input and displaying the output on the screen. And finally, we'll try to write a simple conditional statements and loops. So what is Python and why to use it? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It is widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and many more. Now, why it is being used in data science or artificial intelligence? So the first point would be it is easy to learn. Python has a simple syntax similar to English, highly versatile. That means it can be used for web apps, AI automation, and many more projects. Large community support. So Python has tons of support libraries and framework available which helps developer to develop their project without much hurdles. Now let us see how to install the Python. There are many ways to install Python in your machine. So here is the one way, that is installing the Anaconda. Anaconda is a distribution where it includes the Python and Python editor, call it as Jupyter Notebook. Once you download, you will see these mini windows. So Anaconda Navigator, it's a distribution window from where you can see what are the packages gets installed. Jupyter Notebook is the editor for Python programming. Now let us see what is the Python version gets installed. So here is the command Python version. Now you can see the Python version, that is nothing but 3.8. Now let us open the Jupyter Notebook to write a Python program. So here is the Jupyter Notebook. Let's click on this. Just wait for some time. It will open Jupyter Notebook. So here is a Jupyter Notebook. I have already created the Code Studio as a folder. Okay, now to open the Python file, just click on New and Python 3. So this is the Jupyter Notebook for writing a Python code. So now let us write a first Python program. Now let's print hello world, which is the classic first program in Python. So here is the command. There's a print function to print hello world. So to run this, you click on Control Enter button. So now you will see hello world. So like this, you can run your Python commands. Python executes the code line by line, making it beginner friendly. Now let us see how to declare variables and use operators. Now click on plus sign to create a new cell, and here is the command to use variables and operators. So this is the variable I'm assigning 10. This is another variable where I'm assigning 5.5, that is a float type variable. This is the string and this one is the boolean type variable. So let us run and see the data. So in Python you do not need to declare a variable. I mean the data types are no need to declare explicitly in Python programming. And even Python supports arithmetic operations like this. So these are the two variables. Okay. Now let us run this program and see how does it perform the arithmetic operations. Say this is a plus b, a minus b, that is 7, likewise. Now let us see how to take user input and displaying output on the screen. For that, here is the command. So basically input function will be used to take the user input. So let's run this. Enter your runtime value. So once you execute, you will see hello Mohan. So it gets concatenated with the runtime variable value. The input function allows user to enter the data, and please always remember input is stored as a string by default. Now let us see some conditional statements in Python. So we'll see how to write if else condition using Python. So here is the command. So I'll be taking age as a variable where I'll input the runtime value, and based on the age variable we'll try to perform the conditional operation. Okay, so now let us run this program. If I enter 20, that means this condition will be satisfied and this message has to be printed on the screen. So let us run this. Yeah, now you can see. Now let us run one more time. I'll enter 16 as a age. Now you will see the else block gets executed. So like this we can write a if else conditional statement in Python program. Now let us see how to write a for loop in Python program. So here is the basic command. For I in range of 5, that means it will start from 0 to 5. So let us run. So now you can see the iteration got printed 5 times, start from 0. So using this you can loop your counter variable in Python. That's it for now. Let's recap today what we have covered. So in this video we have covered like what is Python and why it is awesome. I'll also see like how to install using Anaconda and how to use Jupyter Notebook. And we tried to run basic commands of Python like using variables, if else condition, loop statements. If this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe to Code Studio. Let me know what topic you would like next. See you in the next. Thank you.